Welcome members to another weekly update where I get to look over my shoulder and see some individual things going on. You're about to receive an invitation. I know that but not everyone reading this will have come to a seminar with me. Whether you've paid up and not come yet, or you'd like to come again as a 99 Club member, there's going to be an invitation coming out at a reduced rate because you're already a member. And you also get the facility of coming and going, if you just want to come for the Sunday or the Friday and the Sunday, a bit of that, you get kind of graduate status, and you can treat it kind of like a university. And that's why it's a reduced rate as well, because you've already got a lot of the stuff. And I hope to see you then. Well, I will be sharing with you a couple of new systems that I've been looking at, and I'm very pleased with. This is one of them I'm just testing out this week, and you see how beautifully it worked. And that got me in round about there, and it's not the SV60 system. That's just coincidental. It's something else, and that sort of move doubles the price of an option overnight. So that's something I've been toying with, and very excited about that. So I hope to see you. In the dates are coming out. It's Friday, June the 30th through to Sunday, July 2nd. So hopefully see you then. So let's catch up on some individual trades. Yeah, as you know, this week there was a special update because I stuck my neck out and finally said, right, it's time to do a Make Mum a Millionaire trade. And it was with the Japanese yen. And just to recap on that, as you remember, I shorted the Japanese yen just about here, did very nicely. But then the Japanese yen made this customary, as everything seems to do with stocks, chart and currencies, whatever, this big comeback play into it hit what is now a drastically descending moving average 40-week there, hits it and goes down again. That should be a classic short right there, and that's why I said to short FXY. Or another way to play it was to buy the YCS, which is simply the inversion of that. So YCS goes up when the yen goes down. You can see if you're looking at this chart here, there's an orderly chart, and it just looks like a pullback before it goes on going higher. So that trade is in play. Let's look at what else we had going on. Caterpillar. Yeah, that's fine. It's we had a nice jump here, and that was this week. Yes, so that was a very good one here. Earnings came out, and big jump on heavy volume. And that's just a bit of consolidation there. As long as it stays in that kind of area, there's nothing wrong with that. And I was in at around 92, 93, and so it's a very healthy profit. And what I will do now is I will raise my lock-in profits at 99. If it can just hold there, then that will still have locked in a nice lot of profit there. And the other good thing about it's back above psychologically important $100. So very nice profit there. And TTPH, and this is doing fine. As I said before, I was in around here, and it's doubled in value even if all you've done is bought the stock. So that's a very nice profit so far, and all it's doing here is just calling off and consolidating, refueling, and letting the moving averages catch up with it. I'm very happy with that action there. If it can just bounce off what is now this drastically rising 50-day moving average and keep on climbing, that'll be great. What else do we have? URE. Yeah, it's just sort of scraping along the bottom there. It's fine as long as it stays above that 200-day line, then I'm in. Let's catch up on what's happening with gold. The metal seems to be doing better than the miners right now, and that is holding. It's holding above. The daily chart looks a lot better than the weekly for some reason on gold right now. It's got above resistance, got above its 200-day, pulled back, and is consolidating its position, hanging right in there. The miners, on the other hand, are struggling for whatever reason, and the miners usually lead the metal, so it's a little bit odd. If one was inclined to remember, there's investing, there's trading gold. Investing in gold, I can just sit on my gold forever. I'm not even looking at the chart, because I know my long-term proposition for gold is, ultimately gold is money and it will become money again. Now, if you're looking at trading gold, there is a tight stop loss entry here. If this means anything, this resistance and the 200-day. And I think it does, because that is a healthy line of resistance that it broke and it's just pulling back. There's a tight entry there around 120 and a stop loss, and it closed below the 200-day. So that one is fine there. Let's check on CLF, see if it's giving us a chance to get back in. No, not yet. You see, and here's why I get out just below the 200-day, because then things can drastically get worse. And that's stuck in a downtrend now. So, I actually made some on that and lost some on that, so that was fine. They don't always work out. So that is I've got the yen trade opened up this week. There's a possibility of if I was so inclined, there's a gold trade there. So there's some new things open, existing things doing well. And let's see what happens this week, and speak to you next time.